The Ford F-150 Raptor key fob uses a CR2032 battery, typically lasting 1 to 2 years. This video guides you through replacing it yourself, saving time and money. We'll cover the process for 2019-2024 models. Watch for signs of a low battery, such as decreased range or intermittent function. Ignoring these signs can leave you stranded. Plus, replacing it yourself is straightforward and avoids dealership costs. You'll need a few simple tools to replace the key fob battery. A new CR2032 battery is essential for replacement. A small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool helps open the fob safely. A clean cloth wipes the contacts, and wear gloves for safety. These materials ensure a smooth battery replacement process. The first step in replacing your Ford F-150 Raptor key fob battery is accessing the battery compartment. Locate the seam on your key fob, which is usually on the back or side. For 2019-2022 models, slide a latch or gently pry open the cover with your tool. For 2023-2024 models, you may need to twist the fob halves apart due to improved seals. Be gentle to avoid damaging the casing. With the fob open, carefully pop out the old CR2032 battery using your tool or fingernail. Pay attention to the orientation, with the positive side facing up for the new battery. Avoid metal tools to prevent short circuits. Dispose of the old battery properly for recycling. Now for step 3, installing the new battery. Before inserting the new battery, wipe the contacts inside the compartment with a clean cloth to remove any corrosion. This ensures proper electrical contact and prevents future issues. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, matching the original orientation. The battery provides 3 volts and has a diameter of 20 millimeters with a thickness of 3.2 millimeters. Ensure the battery sits securely in place to prevent loose connections that could cause intermittent signals. Now we'll reassemble the key fob and test its functions to ensure everything works correctly. Carefully snap the 2 halves of the key fob back together. Make sure the seam is aligned and the fob feels securely closed. Test each button on the key fob. Press the lock button to lock the vehicle, unlock to unlock it, and panic to activate the alarm. If the buttons don't work, double-check that the battery is oriented correctly with the positive side up. If needed, reprogram by holding the start button on the dashboard for 3 to 5 seconds in newer models. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, there are several common issues to check. First, check if the new battery is defective by testing it in another device. The fob might also require reprogramming through the vehicle's menu. Some 2021-2022 models experienced seal failures leading to water ingress. Carefully inspect the fob's interior for corrosion on contacts. Remember, the Raptor's off-road use can jostle the fob and loosen internal contacts, causing intermittent operation. If these steps don't resolve the issue, take the fob to a Ford dealership or certified mechanic for diagnosis. Key fobs are evolving. Digital keys via smartphones are becoming more common, but physical fobs remain reliable, especially for off-grid use. Future battery tech may offer longer lifespans. For now, DIY replacement is a cost-effective solution. Stay updated on Ford's software updates as they can affect battery life and fob performance.